This is chapter 6, electronic configuration, homework problem number 7. The question is, how many electrons can exist in the 5D subshell? Okay, so 5D subshell, in order to answer this question, we need to find out, okay, how many orbitals are in a D subshell. All right, once we know the number of orbitals times 2, that will be the maximum number of electrons. So, okay, subshells. So far we learned S shell, P shell, D, and F. All right? Okay, then those corresponding to L equals 0, that's S subshell. L equals 1, that's P. L equals 2, that's D. All right, so 5D, which means L equals 2. Then the number of orbitals, actually, the number of orbitals, what is orbital? So ML, that's the orbital, okay? So we can calculate that using 2L plus 1, and that's L equals 2 plus 1, that's 5 orbitals, all right? So now we have 5 ML values, and also that means we also have 5 orbitals. So, and those 5 ML value, as a matter of fact, what are they? As we learned in the class, 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 in this case, all right? So because it's supposed to be, from negative L, all the way to 0, and then to the positive L. Because L equals 2, therefore the minimum ML value should be negative 2. The maximum ML value should be positive 2, and then positive 1, negative 1, and then 0. So that's 5. So we have 5 orbitals. Okay, that's the number of orbitals. If we have 5 orbitals, then the number of electrons, the maximum, should be 10 electrons. So therefore, 10 should be the answer. That's question number 7.